This is a nice headband I made recently. We are going to make something similar to this one. The foundation chain is a multiple of 4 plus 2. I made 36 chains. Then I'm going to make 2 more. Then on the second chain from hook, we are going to make single crochet. And single crochet all across till the end. So we will have 37 single crochets. Now we are in the last chain and we are going to make a single crochet, but here we are going to change the color. I am going to add the golden brown here, so I am not finishing that last single crochet. Insert the hook, bring up a loop, and I have 2 loops on the hook. Instead of yarn over, I am going to get the next color on the hook and bring it through the 2 loops. Now I can tighten that. Then I'm going to make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn the work, and in the same stitch as the first chain 5, I'm going to yarn over ties on the hook and insert the hook in the stitch, the same one we did the chain 5, yarn over and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over hook 1 time, then insert the hook in the next stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Again yarn over hook, insert the hook in the next stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Then one more time, yarn over hook, insert the hook in the next stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on the hook, as you can see. Then yarn over hook and go through the first 4 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Again I have 2 loops on the hook. So yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Now it looks like this. I forgot to tell you that we are working on the back loop of the single crochets. Don't worry, we will do it 2 more times. Then we are going to make a puff stitch. So yarn over hook, go through that space between the chain 5 and this cluster and bring up a loop. Then one more time, that's the second time, again a third time and a 4th time. Now yarn over hook and go through all the loops on the hook all at once, like this. Now I'm going to lock it with a single crochet, then chain 1. Now yarn over hook 2 times. We are going to the next stitch. We are going to the back loop of that stitch, that one. Insert the hook in the back loop and bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over hook 1 time, then in the next stitch back loop, insert, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Repeat the same thing to the next 2 stitches. Here 1 and go through 2 loops. Then yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now again yarn over the hook, then go through the first 4 loops, then yarn over hook and go through the next 2 loops, then yarn over hook and the last 2 loops. Then we make sideways puff stitch with the 4 times 2, 3, 4. Keep it a little loose. Then gently pull it through all the loops. Then make a single crochet to lock it. Then chain 1. Now repeat the same thing, working only on the back loops of the next 4 stitches. Now repeat it till the end. Now, and this is the last cluster we made. We are not going to make the chain 1 after locking this loop. We are going to yarn over hook 2 times and insert the hook in the last chain, then make it triple. 2 and 2. This is done like this. Now chain 1, turn. In the first stitch itself we are going to make a single crochet. And single crochet in the back loop of each of the stitches. Just make sure you got all the stitches. Because if it is not done properly, the shape will be distorted. So continue all the way up to here, then we will do a single crochet in this one. We did all the stitches, then we are going to insert the hook in that loop and then make the last single crochet. We will have 37 single crochets. And I'm going to attach the beige yarn. Then I'm going to get this one over here. If you are not cutting the yarn, then just take this one, go in here and go through that loops. Now chain 1, make single crochets all across. If we come all the way here, then we will meet again because we are going to add the ties. And I will be adding the PDF pattern to my coffee shop, ko-fi.com shop. So you can find the PDF pattern there. It will be pay what you want and you can download it as a printable PDF. We reached all the way across. Now I'm going to make one more single crochet in the corner, then 1 single crochet in here, and I'm going to make like this loop can hold 7 single crochet, so I'm going to make 1 2 3 and 4 single crochets. Then I'm going to make the tie to tie it in the back, so it will be like 22 chains. I mentioned 22 chains. You can make it longer or shorter, it is up to you, but all you have to remember is to make the flower kind of thing this in the end. I'm going to insert a yarn over hook and insert the hook on the second chain from hook, no, third chain from hook here, and make double crochets, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, slip stitch, then again chain 2, 2 more double crochet, 1 2, and chain 2, slip stitch, 2 petals, and make 2 more petals. So chain 2, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, slip stitch to the center. I need to make 1 more petal because I like 4 petals. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch. Now I'm going to fold that petal, then make a chain 1. I'm going to the back again. I'm going to make single crochets in all of these chains. Make sure you know that you have to go through here, right? So chain all the way up to here, single crochet all the way up to there, not chains. 1, then make 3 more single crochet along the side, 2 3, then you make 1 single crochet over here and 2 single crochet in the corner. That is done. Now you can slip stitch to this side or just make another row of single crochet, but that won't look good. So I'm going to do the slip stitches all the way to here. We are almost to the corner, so I'm going to do 1 slip stitch over here, then chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the corner. Then I'm going to do 4 single crochet in this loop, Then similarly the other side I am going to make a chain of 22. You have to remember how many chains you made in the other side, then match the same number of stitches in this side as well. Then repeat like this one and come back and finish this side and join here. That's it, we are done.